Breathing in other animals. First one, cockroach. The respiratory organs in insects takes place through that branch air tubes called trachea, and the air tubes form a fine network inside the body and are in contact with the cells. They open on the body surface by spiracles, and the spiracles open and close to allow respiratory gases to move in and out of the air tubes. Oxygen rich air enters the tracheal tubes through spiracles and diffuse into every cell of the body. Second one, earthworm. Some multicellular organisms such as hydra, leeches, and earthworm breathe through their moist skin. The oxygen from the environment passes across the moist skin of the earthworm and it is carried by that circulatory system to the cell. Similarly, carbon dioxide from the cell is carried by that circulatory system and comes out through the moist skin. The earthworm will die if their skin dries out. Frogs use mainly lungs for respiration on land, but they can also respire through their moist skin while in water. That is why frog is called as a slippery. Then next is that fishes. Fishes and other animals living in water are called as aquatic animals. They obtain oxygen that is dissolved in water. Their respiratory organs are called gills and they have a net of fine capillaries. The oxygen dissolved in water diffuses into the blood capillaries. Carbon dioxide present in capillary blood diffuses into water. The oxygenated blood from capillaries is taken to heart and pumped to different parts of the body, and carbon dioxide rich blood from body tissue is taken to gills for that exchange of respiratory gases. At last, respiration in plants. Plants also take in oxygen from air and give out carbon dioxide. This oxygen is used in the cell to break down glucose into carbon dioxide and water and release energy. The leaves have a tiny pores called stomata which help in the exchange of gases. The root hair also help to take air from the soil. Like that other animals, plants also need energy to grow and perform life functions. Plants get this energy through the process of respiration. Plants use atmospheric oxygen to break down glucose into carbon dioxide and water, accompanied by release of energy. Generally, plants do not have any organ for breathing. The exchange of gases in plants is performed by a simple process of diffusion. Stomata are small pores in leaves through which exchange of gases takes place. Each part of the plant, such as leaves, stems, roots, perform their own respiration. In plants, respiration takes place at much slower rate as compared to animals. In leaves, the exchange of respiratory gases takes place through very small pores called stomata, and the stomata occur in large number on the lower surface of the leaves of the plant. Each stomata has a pore at its center which is surrounded and controlled by two kidney-shaped cells called guard cells. When the stomata open, that means the stoma opens, the exchange of gases occur between the atmosphere and the leaves by the process of diffusion. The plant having hard and woody stems and develop roots exchange of their gases through lenticels. And the lenticels are loosely packed dead cells which are present as small pores on the bark of woody plants or old roots. This enables oxygen to reach the intercellular spaces of interior tissue and carbon dioxide to be released to the atmosphere by the process of diffusion.